Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Kia. This is the K5 GT line. Turbo engine is sounding smooth as could be, so I'll go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Alright, and if any of these LEDs appear to flicker, that's the refresh rate of the camera. They don't flicker at all to the human eye. See that it does have fog lights up front and alloy wheels. Dual exhausts. See that it does have the spare tire in here. So it does have absolutely massive sunroofs. I'll go ahead and show you the VIN right here. And I will upload some still photos of that as well. Okay. And as you look down here, you'll see that it has 4,541 miles on this vehicle. And you saw when we first got in here that it said that it would shut down the vehicle automatically if I didn't respond. And so, very smart vehicle. It will turn it off if it just continues to idle so that it can save gas. Okay, and as we come over here, you'll see that it has push to talk and stereo controls, also your heated steering wheel, and then you have your cruise control, push button start, and as you come over here, you've got stereo controls and your phone. So it does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. We'll go ahead and cancel that out. We'll close that. Go to all menus. You see that it does have Android Auto or Apple Carplay. Those are fantastic apps. I actually use those for navigation and other things in my daily driver. And then as you come over here, we can go to our favorites, or as I mentioned, your Bluetooth. And if you want to go ahead and put it in reverse, there's your HD backup camera with your backup guides. And as you come up above, then you've got your map reading lights. And then coming down here, you have your comfort controls. Right here's your USBs and 12-volt power outlet. There's your key fob right here. And it does have remote start. That's very cool. And then there are your other buttons right there. And then your cup holders, shifter, drive mode selector. So with your drive mode selector, it will show up here. So coming down, you also have your park brake and your phone charging station, and then your controls for your sunroof. That about wraps it up for this Kia. This particular vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.